What's up guys, Dan Cohan here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what the real estate market looks like in 2022. Special thanks to Rent Redi rental management software for partnering with me on this video. If you want an awesome rental management software that's going to help you collect rent, screen your tenants, and save you a ton of time, go ahead and click the link in the description below. Use my code for 20% off. It's the rental management software that I use, and I think you're going to love it too. Let's get right into the video. So to be fully transparent with you and straight up, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. Nobody really does. So the first thing is rising interest rates, guys. Now, they actually just raised them about a quarter point this week. The Fed plans to raise them a little bit more throughout the year. Who knows if they'll continue to do that. They're also planning on, I think, actually taking money out of circulation. And that's actually probably a good thing for the economy overall, as it will help to cut down on this rampant inflation and the rampant price of assets, guys. Now, that's going to help you if you're trying to acquire real estate. Right now, unfortunately, the price of real estate is sky high, guys. It is higher. I think I saw something last month where actually prices have risen from December to January 4.5% median home price month over month. Now, that is driven by the absolute scarcity of homes and properties available for sale. Right now, I think what you have, there's a lot of factors here, with the virus and stuff like that. You probably have a lot of people moving out of cities into the suburbs to kind of get away from people. I think that has an effect. The lack of people building new properties over the last 10 years is having an effect on the scarcity. And also, a lot of people not selling, again, due to that uncertainty, and staying in their homes, not selling when they otherwise would have, working from home, that sort of thing. But saying that, because of the sheer demand of people for housing, rents are definitely up as well, which is good. So if you have properties, I would definitely consider reevaluating what fair prices are for your market and trying to re-rent them out at higher rates. Whether or not you disagreed or agree with my analysis, let me know in the comments below if you did. If you want to get an awesome rental management software that's going to help save you money, collect your rent for you, screen your tenants, go ahead and check out Rent Redi rental management software in the description below. Get 20% off your subscription with my code. And guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button. I'm Dan Cohan with Rent Redi, and I will see you in the next chapter.